Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, that generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the PAT fuse is located, this is the anti-theft system fuse, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the PAT system fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate here on this 2013 to 2019 Ford Escape. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV, and today we work in just one. Open the passenger door. Once you do that, you will see, if you look under the glove box on the bottom of it, look upside down under the dash, you will see one soft carpet liner that attaches with 2 turning knobs. Remove it, and behind it you will find the interior fuse box that looks like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now the PAT fuse, where you can expect to find it, guys. We have 4 rows of fuses. Each one of those fuses has a number that indicates the fuse number, and it's in the top right corner of every fuse. For the PAT system, we need to come in that row right here. And here we need to find a 5 amp fuse, and that fuse that we need is fuse number 59. That's the fuse that you will, guys, need to check. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.